What's up, screen printers? It's Hernan with Screen Print Direct, and today we're looking at one of the most overlooked steps in screen printing, that's coating your screen with emulsion. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the mounted screen coating station by Screen Print Direct, and I'll also break down the pros and cons of freehand coating versus investing in a coating station. Before we talk about equipment, let's actually talk about why this step matters. A lot of the exposure issues don't actually start at the exposure unit. They start with inconsistent emulsion coating. Uneven coats can lead to pinholes, weak stencils, long exposure times, and even poor details. If your emulsion layers isn't consistent, everything downstream suffers. So having a stable way to coat your screen is one of the easiest ways to improve your print quality. Most of us start with holding the screen with one hand and then using the other hand to coat the screen. And honestly, that method works, but the challenge is with freehand coating, your angles changes every pass, the screen can flex or wobble when trying to coat, and one of the most important ones for me is it'll be harder for you to build muscle memory. That's where mounts and coating stations come in. This is the mounted screen coating station by Screen Print Direct. It's designed to hold your screen at a perfect coating angle, so you're no longer balancing the screen with one hand. Some key details: easy to mount and install, holds the screen at the ideal angle, and also made from aluminum. Once installed, you slide your screen into place, grab your screw quarter, and you're ready to coat. The biggest advantage is that both hands are now free. That means you control the pressure with two hands, more consistent coating thickness, and smoother passes. So instead of fighting with your screen, you're focused on coating motions. If you're brand new to screen printing or just wanting to learn, freehand coating your screen is a great way to get started. But if you're taking regular orders, burning screens frequently, wanting more consistency, and trying to speed up your production, then a mounted coating station is a smart upgrade. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. Are you currently coating by hand, or are you already using a station? Let us know down below. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.